No more carrying heavy tanks of water from one place to another. The SHOP-VAC Pump Vac does it for you. The SHOP-VAC Pump Vac features a built-in water pump right inside the vac. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply attach a standard garden hose to the pump outlet. Pick up your water, and your vac will pump it out for you. No messes or heavy tanks to carry. Whether it's a flooded basement, an outdoor pond or hot tub, or just standing water outside, pumping at up to 6 US gallons a minute and heights up to 50 feet. This vac takes the hard work out of your everyday problems. And don't stop there. The SHOP-VAC Pump Vac will pick up any mess around the house, wet or dry, indoors or out. If you own a house, you gotta own a SHOP-VAC. SHOP-VAC, the original wet-dry vac. Available at Canadian Tire.